Okay, attempt number 2. So we buffed up the Metagross to give him a second move. It's got a team here that resists poison singly, doing psychic damage across the board, apart from the Claydol, both double psychic moves. Then got a team which the Rampardos singly resists and does psychic damage. Everything else is double resisting and doing earth damage, apart from the Nidoking and Nidoqueen. They're doing poison damage to charge up earth power. And then finally we've just got a psychic squad, which will die really quick, but maybe throw in some confusion before it goes. Let's see how we do. Did it get on? Did it get on? Ah, the sludge bomb, son of a bit. So yeah, Soul Rock and Lunatone do a bit of damage, but it's not really doing a lot. Too slow to get off the earth power. I'm just gonna max revive and go back in with the same team. I think they did okay. It just depends if my Metagross can get off some moves before they get hammered with a charge. Yes, go on Metagross. Fucking have it. Oh no. Don't know what is going on here. Bronzong is just ripping it apart, but it's rubber banding everywhere. I don't know what is going on with this. Right, okay, back in with the second team, no point reviving. Come on Rampardos, have that, Zen Headbutt. Drill run.